Tarih 7 Haziran 2025. Los Angeles'ın Lancaster bölgesinde saat 19:20 sularında polis ekipleri 911 acil yardım hattına yapılan silahlı soygun ihbarı üzerine harekete geçti. Olay yerine yaklaşık 15 dakika sonra ulaşan memurlar verilen eşkale uygun bir kişiyi kısa sürede tespit etti. Ancak soygun şüphelisi polisin tüm uyarılarına rağmen teslim olmayı reddetti. Memurlar onu gözaltına almak üzereyken işler bir anda beklenmedik bir yöne kaydı. Birazdan izleyeceğiniz görüntüler o anların nasıl başladığını ve sadece birkaç saniye içinde her şeyin nasıl kontrolden çıktığını gösteriyor.
What's your emergency?
Hey, there was a guy who just pulled a gun on me. I'm at Meadowview Point or Meadowview Lane at the apartments.
What's the address?
I don't have the exact address, but it's on 15th. And
Do you live in the complex or you just?
yes, I do live in the complex. I do live in the complex. I was walking home, and the guy took my headphones, tried to pull a gun on me. And then when I tried to take my headphones back and hit him with my fucking board to defend myself, he pulled like the gun out like he was gonna fucking shoot me. So, and then he just came up to me apologizing, pretending like I was someone else. So no, I'm not fucking dealing with that shit.
Was he white, black, Hispanic?
He's Hispanic. He had curly hair and glasses and tattoos.
Okay. Did he actually take your headphones?
Yes, he did. And I fucking got him back from him, but he took them. He tried to take my board too.
What was he wearing?
Black shirt, jeans.
Put your hands out of your pockets. Put your hands on the hood.
I could call her.
No, stop reaching your pockets.
We're not doing it.
Stop.
We're not doing
Put your hands on the pocket.
I can call her right now.
Stop. Turn around.
She's calling me right now.
Come here.
Vanessa.
Stop.
Vanessa, the sheriff has the
Hey, tell me if you can.
and I'm trying to tell him that I was already calling you.
Turn around.
Your son was the one that was
Hey, 110, we're taking a 211 suspect at gunpoint. J12 just east, or correction, just west of Country Road.
Talk to him, please.
Hey, turn around, fool.
I'm not doing it.
Turn around. Do not reach.
I haven't done anything wrong, sir.
Stop.
I'm not breaking the law.
Don't.
Look, talk to her, please. Talk to her. I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Stop.
Please.
Give me your arm. Stop. Give me your arm. Stop. Give me your fucking arm.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Get on the ground.
Please, I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Stop.
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Give me your fucking arm.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Put your hands on your back.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. Please, I'm not doing nothing wrong. I helped her out. That's the
Stop.
manager.
Put your
I
fucking
lived
hands on your
there.
back.
I'm a resident right there. I'm not doing nothing.
Put your fucking hands on your back.
You don't have to treat me like this. I'm not done nothing wrong, sir. Please.
Stop.
Please. Please. Please.
Stop.
Stop moving his arm, please. 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 Please.
His other arm.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. Please.
You want to know for your son?
Stop. Stop reaching. Stop fucking reaching. Hey, 417. 417. Hey, put your fucking hands. You're gonna get shot. 417. Taser.
Help me.
Put your Hey, hey, turn again. You okay? Where are you hit? Where? 998.
I copy 990. Is a suspect or deputy?
Deputy hit suspect.
Please.
His other arm.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. Please.
You want to know for your son?
Stop. Stop reaching. Stop fucking reaching. Hey, 417. Hey, put your fucking hands. You're gonna get shot. 417. Taser.
Help me.
Put your If you get any closer, you're gonna be detained and arrested. Do you understand?
I'm gonna call my uncle. He's a fucking.
So call him.
Yeah,
Call
I
him.
will fucking call him.
You want to know for yourself?
Hey, what the fuck?
You guys
Hey, we're gonna need a this way unit code ready support. If you get any closer, you're gonna be detained and arrested. Do you understand?
I'm gonna call my uncle. He's a fucking.
So call him.
Yeah, I will fucking call him. Hey, what the fuck?
Hey, you guys are beating him! They're beating him!
Stay back.
Stop fucking hitting me.
They're hitting him! You...
Hey, Eric.
Hey!
Stay back.
You're gonna
shot. You're gonna get tased.
Tase him.
Put your fucking.
Olay yeri incelemelerinde soygun şüphelisinin silahının polisler tarafından açılan yoğun ateş sonucu nasıl parçalandığı açıkça görülüyor. Yetkililer olay sonrası yaptıkları açıklamada bir polis memurunun ağır yaralı olduğunu, durumunun kritik fakat stabil seyrettiğini belirtti. Soygun şüphelisi ise tüm sağlık müdahalelerine rağmen olay yerinde hayatını kaybetti. Ayrıca şüpheli hakkında şu an için başka bir bilgi paylaşılmadığı ifade edildi. Olayla ilgili soruşturma hala devam ediyor. Bu tarz içeriklerin devamı için videoyu beğenmeyi ve yorum bırakmayı unutmayın.